Pepper is watching on television these two beautiful birds. He is high on his perch. Let me show you. Totally, completely fascinated. He's had a very busy this morning. He was doing zoomies, acting manic, running up and down the hallway like a racehorse, trotting up and down, bouncing off of walls, looking at me now. Pepper, you want to watch these birds? Huh? Yeah, that is a beautiful bird. Oh my. You can't get those birds, baby. No, 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 no. Okay, we'll let you look at him just for a few minutes. Pepper, Pepper. Oh, he's not going to pay attention now. He's busy. Hope you're having a great day. Bye-bye.